How to add and transfer money to your Chase account on your iPhone. To add money to your Chase account, you need to transfer funds from another bank using your unique account number and sort code, which is found under the Get Account Details inside the application. To move money between Chase accounts, you can use payments. You can use move money option under the payments option on the application. And to send money, you can use the send money options under the payment section to another account. And there you'll be able to select your account too. And if you're saving and if you want to transfer money from another bank account, you can use your Chase account number and sort code found by tapping the three dots on your account and by clicking on Get Account Details. There you'll see a sort code, and if you apply that sort code on any other kinds of bank, you'll be able to transfer money from that bank as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.